I'm at the intersection where Old Spruce Road crosses the railroad tracks. You'll see there's a split in the tracks here. These tracks off to the left are the tracks that the Bald Knob excursion is going to be using, coming from Cass up to Bald Knob. I talked to a worker with the Greenbrier Valley and Durbin Railroad. He was on his truck with the wheels attached to the rails. He was going up the other side, on what you're looking at there, the right side, going up the hill. He said he was going to be attaching some repeater antennas at the top there. So he's using that other line. He told me this side over here on the left is the side the train would be coming up. It's a long, steep grade coming up here. We're sitting at about 3,900 feet in elevation. I believe the train goes to around 45. I'll make a note of that if I'm wrong on that. The mountain that you're looking at, the peak in the background, is supposed to be a fire tower up there. After I film this train going by, I'm going to walk the couple miles and about 900 feet in elevation gain to get to that fire tower. That's kind of up on that point there. You can't quite see it here, but I know that's where it's at according to the maps in that area.